Hello everyone, this is Professor Todd Giles. Good morning. I just wanted to do a little YouTube video here showing the screen of VoiceThread. Many of you may not be familiar with VoiceThread, so to help you become more familiar with it, what I've done is created an extra credit project here, the Intro Bio VoiceThread assignment. And this is to allow you to get into VoiceThread, investigate it a little bit, learning the navigation, understand it a little bit better before we move on to this major assignment here in the first week of the Introduction to the Elements of Art assignment. So what we're doing here, this is my screen within VoiceThread. I'm not sure what yours will look like. I assume that it will have these different images here. What I'm going to do, just make sure that you are in the AR105 group, and to get there, there is a link online within the assignment that you can link to, and that will bring you to this screen. So what I'm going to do is go up here and show you how to use the VoiceThread. For the big assignment, all you need to do is just click on any one of these areas. I've got them numbered, starting here with the introduction. Click on that, and then you'll go into a second screen that looks like this. One thing that you'll notice is there's an icon here. There's an image in the middle. I won't talk about that. I'll let you listen to me talk about it in my VoiceThread. At the bottom is an audio track with a start and stop, and I can scrub back and forth on it to go wherever I want. If I get to a point and I want to pause it, I can pause, no problem. Okay? Within the VoiceThread, this is the main thing. For the assignment, you'll be looking at an image of a piece of artwork, and you'll respond to it. And each one of these individual VoiceThreads has a question. It'll ask you, describe color, describe line. And what you'll do is study that image and only talk about that one segment. Don't talk about the whole thing. Don't talk about the history. I want you to block everything else out and talk about color or line or whatever it is that it's asking for on that exact image. And some of it might be hard at first, but hopefully it will become second nature for you this week as you start looking at art, maybe in a more deeper way than you ever have. So, to get out of, well, let me go back. The main thing is the VoiceThread. In the lower middle, you'll see this little cartoon bubble with a plus sign inside of it. If you click on that, you get these options. So what we're asking you to do is respond to that image that you'll be looking at, and these are the ways that you can respond. You can type, okay? If I click the type, I can type in my reaction, okay? For us, I'm just going to discard that. If you don't want me to hear your voice, or you don't think you sound good, or you don't have a device with you, you can go ahead and hit that. Or you can call. If you're out somewhere, call this number, and you can leave a message, and it will go into the VoiceThread, and your icon will show up over on the side here or on this side, depending on how many students we have, and then we'll be able to hear you talk about the image. Or there's the audio. Most of your computers will have a microphone and a camera. If you just hit the microphone here, it will not do the video, but then when I hit allow, you'll get this countdown, and then you start talking, okay? and I'm going to talk here a little bit, and then when I'm done, hit stop recording, and it will play it back for you. And if it is exactly what you want, hit save. If it's not, then go ahead and hit cancel. And say, no, I'm going to do that one again because I messed up. So I hit this again, wait for that, and then I'll say, I'm going to start talking about this piece of artwork. And then when I'm done, hit stop again. And once I get it to where it's exactly what I want to submit, then I hit save. And what you'll see here is my icon, and then notice how it's set in from the original. So here's my original, here's yours, okay? So that's saying that you're responding to this one that's on the far left. And notice that it will give dates and times of when you submit things, okay? So be aware of that. Another way to respond is through video and audio. Now, wait for the countdown, and then you can see me, okay? I was up late last night working on projects, so here I am all gritty and grungy in my studio. So I would make this out, hit stop, and then you can see me. That's what I want. So there it is over here, okay? And the final way, what you can do is upload a document. If you don't want to type it on the fly, if you want to type it in Word or in Pages or some other text writing software, you can go ahead and do that. So hit upload, and it will open up a window so that you can navigate to where your document is, click on it, and upload it. I'm having some hard drives that were asleep start waking up. Thank you for your patience. Yeah, so navigate to where you have an item, and let's see. I just have this image here. Not gonna let me do it. Those are too big. Okay. Well, I don't really know why it's not allowing me to do these Word documents. That is strange. If any of you have a problem with that, let me know. I'm going to look into that on how come it's not allowing me to put in Word documents, which is very strange. Okay. Although what we have here are videos, so maybe it's wanting an MP4 or other audio-visual device. I'll check into that. So overall, you have these different ways of responding. Okay. So if you don't want me to hear your voice, that's fine. If you want to put on a costume, let me see who you are though, do video. Okay. Whatever floats your boat on this. It really is created so that you can respond with what you're comfortable with. Now, a couple other things here. You can zoom in by hitting the plus sign and move around. Okay, there I am. Aren't I cute? You can see that the pixels here on the imagery. So you can zoom out to there. That might come in handy when we're looking at the artwork so that you can go in and look at details. And then if you want to go to the next voice thread, you can hit this one. Okay, or you can add to it. Don't do that. I'm administrating this, so really don't hit that. Okay, so that's really how to use VoiceThread. It's very easy. Hopefully it's fun for you to do. If you do have questions, give me a shout, send me an email. That's going to be the best way to get a hold of me. And I think that's all for now. Alrighty. When you get here, I'll clear these out, so don't be amazed. See y'all.